In this video, we'll go over kunci. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, kunci to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is kunci coin? Kunci coin is a cryptocurrency project based in Indonesia that's starting with BSC and trying to support multi-chains. Right now, kunci coin is a fork of Solana. Kunci coin team trying to build an ecosystem that will support features from the metaverse to NFTs and DeFi. For your information, they are successfully launched their own NFT marketplace called kunci NFT and collaborate with top-tier Indonesian artists. They are looking forward to expand its collaboration and develop more features in it. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Kunci coin promises a lot of different use cases. For example, kunci coin will slowly to support crypto mining. Even though its token is a pre-mined token that does not run with a proof-of-work consensus, they are looking a way to integrate cloud mining and incentivize their holders with other chain rewards. A more realistic use case could be the use of kunci in the hospitality and service sectors in Indonesia. Kunci coin have established a partnership with J Hotel Tanjung Benoa in the South Kuta district in Indonesia already. Considering all mass adoption takes place and since Bitcoin controls the overall market, if Bitcoin has hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 18 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps the community.